Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to everyone who have subscribed to my channel and helped me reach 1000 subscribers. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 4 Dollar Tree decoration pieces for Ramadan. If you like to see how I made these beautiful DIYs, then keep on watching. For the first DIY, you're going to need a planter, plastic container, ice cream bubble, sign, and rolling pins, and also some hot glue gun and E6000. The first thing I'm doing is applying some E6000 on the rolling pin and some hot glue gun and putting the ice cream cone on top of it and gluing it. And then I applied the E6000 and hot glue, and then I applied the ice cream on top. And this is how they both look at the end. And now I just took the container and applied the E6000 and the hot glue gun on the top, and I'm just gonna put the planter on top and glue it together. Next, I took the ice cream part of the cone and glued it at the top of the planter. And then I'm going to take this signboard and flip it around, and that's what it's going to be our base of our mosque. I'm applying E6000 first and hot glue gun at the bottom of it to stick on the board, and then I'm just applying pressure to see the container sticks on the board. Also, I wanted to put some more hot glue around the container to make sure it's glued together, and then I'm just gluing the pillars using the same method. I spray painted the mosque and the pillar top using white and gold paint. After the paint was dried, I painted the rest of the mosque using these 3 craft paints. After the paint was dried, I used these items to decorate the mosque with. So I decorate the mosque fully like you're watching me decorate it, but then in a few minutes you're going to see I changed the color of the mosque from red to green. I did that because I didn't like it in red, so then I took most of the decorations off the mosque and painted it green and redecorated again using the same things. I love creating this mosque, you guys. The reason I wanted to paint it green because I wanted to look like our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ mosque. I couldn't believe it came out so good. I hope you like this DIY mosque. I encourage you to make it for yourself at home for this Ramadan. After I was done decorating the mosque, and this is the final looks. Next, I'm going to be making the Zakat box. The things you're going to need to make the Zakat box are as follows. First, I'm unscrewing the frame and I will take out the glass and I'll show you how I clean the paint. I use the alcohol and I use some magic eraser to clean the paint off. But for the second one, I'm just going to be using this contact shelf liner paper I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cover that up with shelf liner paper. Are going to be back of our Zakat box, and I'm going to just put it back in the frame and screw it back inside, and this is how it should looks. And then I'm going to take some E6000 and hot glue gun and applying it on 3 sides of the frame, and I'm applying hot glue gun on each of the blocks and pressing it down all around the 3 sides of the frame. After that, I took E6000 and applied on top of the block. And then I applied hot glue guns on top, and I will be putting the second frame on top of it. And I press it down to make sure it's holding it tight. Some of the sides were uneven, so I put some more hot glue around the frames and the blocks to make sure it sticks. Now I'm putting some painter's tape on the glass and gave it 1 coat of acrylic white paint. I also gave about 2 to 3 coats of white spray paint. The sides were not looking so pretty, so I covered them up with the same floral shelf liner. Then I used the gold stickers to write the Zakat box on the front. I also used some pearl stickers I had on hand on the sides of the frame. Now I'm using this golden sticker that I got from Hobby Lobby and put it on all the 3 sides of the box, and that's how it looks. For the final touches, I used the same golden sticker on the top of the box where you will put the money inside from. That's it, the Zakat box is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. If you are, please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. For the third DIY, I'm going to be making the Islamic sayings. Here I have put together 3 of the Islamic sayings: Alhamdulillah, Bismillah, and Inshallah. This DIY is very simple and straightforward. All you need is about 4 to 5 packets of these wooden letters that I found in the toy section of Dollar Tree, 4 rulers, golden paint, and a brush to apply the paint. So I'm gluing two of these rulers together because I will be gluing Alhamdulillah first, because that word, that Islamic phrase was pretty long, so I had to glue two rulers together, and I will just glue Alhamdulillah first on these two rulers, and then after that I will just glue Bismillah and Inshallah on each the other two rulers, and that's how these three look. And then I took some gold paint and started to apply on both sides of each words. I think they turned out really nice. They didn't look like they were handmade at all. For the last DIY, I'm making these beautiful lanterns. The things you're going to need are two of these lanterns, white chalk paint, some green stain, and hot glue gun. First, I spray paint the lanterns outside with 2 to 3 coats of the white paint and let it dry. While they were drying, I quickly made the tassel. All I did was I wrapped it around my 4 fingers and cut one side and tied the top of it to make it look like a tassel. Now I'm applying a hot glue on the outside of the lanterns and gluing it together to make it a full lantern. And I also applied some more hot glue outside to make sure it's connected well. And this is how it looks with attached together. Then I glued the tassel at the bottom of the lantern. To decorate the lantern, I took these pearls from Dollar Tree, and I'm hiding the lines where I glued the lantern together with these pearls. And this is how it looks. And I also decided to put this silver diamond wrap from Dollar Tree on the top of the lantern. And this is the final look of the lanterns. All I did, I put those candles inside of the lanterns that came with the lantern, and I used some fairy lights to hang it. I really enjoyed making all of these DIY for Ramadan. I hope I inspired you to make these DIYs for your home for this Ramadan. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, leave me a comment down below which DIY was your favorite and which one you're going to make for Ramadan. I love reading your comments in the comment section. Until next time, bye!